In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a discount on Bluehost in May 2025. If you're looking to save big on web hosting this month, now is the perfect time to jump in. Bluehost is offering exclusive discounts on their hosting plans, which I'm going to show you how to get into. Before we dive into how to get the discount, I just wanted to quickly talk about what Bluehost is. So Bluehost is one of the most trusted web hosting providers out there, and it's especially great if you're planning to build your site on WordPress. In fact, WordPress officially recommends Bluehost as one of the best hosting services for beginners. What I like about Bluehost is that it's simple to use, but still powerful enough to grow with your site. So whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a business site, you've got options. So their plans are built to support everything from basic personal sites to high traffic websites and even e-commerce. You also get access to an easy to use dashboard, free email accounts, and reliable customer support if you ever get stuck. And when it comes to performance, Bluehost delivers solid uptime and speed, which helps keep your visitors happy and your rankings strong. Now, if you want to check out the plans and follow along with what I'm going to be showing you, the link is in the description below. As you can see, if you use our exclusive link, you will get an extra special offer. So if we go ahead and click get started, this is where we'll see all the plans. So they've got the basic, the choice, and the e-commerce. The basic plan, you can save 75% off, and it's just $199 a month for 12 months. With this, you get 10 websites. You get a ton of security like daily website backups, free SSL, and you also get marketing features like an SEO free plugin and a pro email free trial. And you also get static content caching, object caching, and even a WordPress staging site, which is huge. And I just want you to note too that they do have a 30-day money back guarantee. So you can essentially try it without worrying or sticking into that commitment and making sure it is the right plan for you. Next, they've got the choice plan, which is $395 per month, and you can save 75% off right now. With this, you get 50 websites, more storage. You get all of the same features as the basic, plus even more. Then they've got the e-commerce essentials, which is $645 per month, and you can save 54% with our link. With this, you get 100 websites, more storage, of course. And then, of course, you get everything that's in the choice, but you also get the commerce tools. So you've got secure payment processing, WooCommerce auto install, visitor memberships, you can offer paid courses, and so much more. So there is so much to offer in each of these plans. So just make sure you're finding the one that best fits your needs. We'll go ahead and choose the choice plan. And then to get signed up, you can go ahead and select your domain or choose one later. And then I would recommend signing up for the 1 year because that's how you're going to get the best price. And then if you wanted to add on anything else like the e-commerce essentials or the rank higher in Google with Yoast, you can go ahead and add those on. And again, you've got that 30-day money back guarantee, which is great. And then all you have to do is continue to check out. I just want to note too that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance. And that is it. So again, if you're ready, go ahead and use that link below. And if you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you, or any comments, I'll go ahead and drop them below. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.